Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. I'm talking quietly because Tom and Sue are downstairs. Tom is talking to Sue. Sue is talking to Tom. Very exciting. But that's two long sentences. Tom is talking to Sue. Sue is too long. Can you make a new sentence much shorter using each other? Tom and Sue are talking to each other. Excellent, well done. Tom likes Sue, and Sue likes Tom. Can you make a new sentence, another one, with each other? Tom and Sue like each other. Much shorter, much nicer. How romantic. See you next time. Bye-bye.